In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add custom fields to Zoho CRM. We'll start on the Zoho CRM homepage. To customize the information you store, click the Setup gear icon in the top right. In the Settings area, head to the Customization section and choose Modules and Fields. This is where you manage the layouts and fields for each module. Next, pick the module where you want your new field. I'll open Contacts for this walkthrough, but you can select any module that fits your workflow. Inside Contacts, open the standard layout. Layouts control what your users see on the record page, so changes here affect how data is entered and viewed. On the left, you'll see a palette of field types you can add. From there, you may choose the custom field that you want to add. In this example, I'll choose Number. Click and hold the Number field, then drag it to the section of the page where you want it to live. Drop it in your preferred spot, and rename it as Pages, for example. Use the field properties to fine-tune details such as description, or whether the field is required. Clear labels make reporting easier later. Let's add one more. I'll add an email custom field. Again, click and hold Email, drag it to your preferred location, and rename it as Alternative Email, for example. Place related fields near each other so your form reads logically and your team can find what they need quickly. When you're happy with the placement, click Save to apply your changes to the layout. Before you roll this out to everyone, it's smart to preview. Click Preview to see exactly how the fields will appear on a contact record. Take a moment to double-check the fields you added. Confirm the labels are correct, the format is right for each field type, and the fields sit where you expect. Also, double-check that any required settings or help text are appropriate for your team. This quick review prevents data entry issues later. If something looks off, go back to the editor, drag a field to a better position, refine its label, or update properties like default values and help text. Changes are immediate after you save. If you don't see the layout controls, your organization may limit customization, so check your permissions with an admin. Everything look good? Close the preview to return to the layout editor. That's it. You've added custom fields to Zoho CRM and organized them on the layout so your team can capture the data that matters. If this walkthrough helped you, subscribe for more.